Imagine being stuck in traffic, eager to navigate through the crowded roads, only to find that your Android Auto isn't working as it should. This frustrating scenario has been the reality for many Google Pixel 10 owners since the device's launch last month. But here's the good news. Google has finally come up with a solution to fix the Android Auto issues that have been plaguing these devices. The tech giant is urging Pixel 10 owners to install the latest update to resolve the problems they've been facing with Android Auto. To put this into perspective, it only took a couple of days for early adopters of the Pixel 10 to start reporting issues with connecting to Android Auto. The affected users would often find themselves stuck on a loading screen, with no clear way to troubleshoot or fix the problem. Now, Google is saying that installing Android Auto version 15.0 or above should fix the issue. His update started rolling out widely this week, with version 15.1 already available in beta. According to Google, the fix is quite straightforward. Simply update your Android Auto app to the latest version and the problem should be resolved. As Google puts it, thanks for reporting the issue of the car screen being gray when Pixel 10 phones are connected to Android Auto. We are pleased to report that the team has implemented a fix. Please make sure to update your Android Auto app to the latest version, 15.0 or above, which should resolve the issue. However, it's worth noting that this fix doesn't seem to be working for everyone. Some Pixel 10 users have reported that the problem persists even after updating to the latest version of Android Auto. This raises an interesting question. Could there be a further server-side component at play that's causing the issue to persist for some users? It's difficult to say for certain, but it's clear that Google is working hard to iron out the kinks and provide a seamless Android Auto experience for its users. But here's where it gets controversial. Should Google have caught this issue before the Pixel 10's launch? Or is it acceptable for the company to release a device with known bugs and then patch them up later? And this is the part most people miss. The fact that Android Auto is still a relatively new technology, and it's not uncommon for new tech to have some teething issues. Nevertheless, it's understandable that users would be frustrated by the lack of a smooth experience, especially when it comes to something as critical as navigation. So, if you're a Pixel 10 owner who's been struggling with Android Auto issues, be sure to update to the latest version and see if it resolves the problem. And if you're still experiencing issues, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experiences and get a better understanding of what's working and what's not. More on Android Auto can be found in our previous coverage, including the hints of Gemini being able to access your car's location, Google's hints about Gemini for Android Auto and Google TV, and the Android Auto bugs that have been causing broken Spotify controls and washed-out displays for some users. Follow Ben on Twitter, Threads, Blue Sky, and Instagram for more updates on the latest tech news. And don't forget to share your thoughts on this issue in the comments below. Do you think Google should have done more to prevent these issues? Or are you just glad that a fix is finally available?